Even though it lacks all of the most recent cutting-edge features currently reserved for the S Ultra phones, the Galaxy Z Fold lineup still occupies a prominent position in Samsung's product lineup. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is the most costly phone in their portfolio, but the company is now unpacking it. Today, OnLeaks unveiled the first image of the Galaxy Z Fold 5. This image is based on official CAD schematics that Samsung itself distributes to case manufacturers so that they may create the covers in advance of the device's debut, so you can be sure that it is the genuine thing. The cover screen, the inner screen, and the camera module are all almost identical, demonstrating how similar the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will seem. The main change mentioned by OnLeaks is that the thickness has been greatly decreased as a result of a new kind of hinge design. He also notes that there is no gap between the screens when folded, which is consistent with the rumors we have heard so far and indicates the crease is no longer visible. It appears that earlier rumors about the phone having individual camera lenses similar to the Galaxy S23 Ultra are untrue because the camera design is identical to the Z Fold 4. OnLeaks also claims that the size of the bezels will be reduced this time, which is good, but that's pretty much it for the Z Fold 5. The new water drop type hinge, which addresses some of the shortcomings of the Z Fold series, is the only significant advancement we are receiving this year. Otherwise, everything else is almost same. There will be no changes to screen sizes, camera specifications, or likely battery life. The inner screen, which measures 7.56 inches and is again going to be limitless thanks to the underpanel camera, which by the way, could be a better one than the Fold 4's, is going to be 6.2 inches covered once more and will be very similar to exactly the same as the Fold 4. However, the Fold 5 essentially looks the same as the Fold 4. Since they are using the same design on the Z Fold phones for the third year in a row, Samsung really needs to step up their game and change the look of their new phones. It's getting old to see the same design on new phones all the time. Their new foldables don't appear any different from their previous models, making excitement difficult. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.